Morning students, today I'm going to tell you about the app which you have to install in your device so that you can practice your Java code. So from the Play Store, you have to download this online compiler. It is already installed in my device, so you have to install it, and after installing you have to open it. Fine, the link is already been sent to you on your eCAD. You can just go to there and directly you can click the link and download this app. After that, just open this app. Here I have already written the code, right, which was there in your first example, or on page number 114 I have just written the same code to check the try catch block, right? So the same data, just from your three lines, by clicking on the three lines that are there on the very top left corner, you can just click on it and you can just see the new file and open file. So you can click on the new file. As soon as you will click the new file, it will ask for your file name. I'll just write ABC. Fine, and I will create. See, now you can see this class name, public static void main, everything is already written, right? You just have to write the main code. Fine, so we will do the example one, that is on page number 115. Right, write a program in Java to find the sum of three numbers entered by a user. Okay, so here we have already given the class demo, so instead of demo we'll just write the sum. Okay, we'll write the sum, and then after that public static void main is already written. Then we will just erase this Java lang exception. We'll just have to erase this, and then after public static void we'll just press enter, and then we will start writing our code. So first is input stream reader, fine, space in equals to new input stream reader, bracket you can use from the top, right? System dot in, bracket close, and then semicolon, right? And whenever the error will be there, I'll show you the errors also if it will come in my program. So I'll show you how the errors will appear. Fine, so you don't have to worry about that. You'll see the errors, the exceptions also you will see, right? And then the second is buffered reader, BR equals to new buffered reader, and then bracket in, bracket close, semicolon. Fine, after that I'll write try, and then I will open this curly braces using the top options that are where the all tabs and all are given there. So I'll just write system.out.println is already written, so hello instead of hello world I will write enter the first number, enter the first number. Fine, I will write this, and then what will I do? I will just next line I will write int m equals to integer dot parse int, bracket br dot read line, L should be capital here, right? Then brackets, then bracket close, and then semicolon. Now instead of writing whole page, we can just try to copy this, and like this we can copy. Okay, and then after that we can just paste it like that, paste. So enter the, instead of first you just write second, so this becomes easier for us to write the code. Okay, and then instead of m you just write n. Okay, and then again the next line, again paste it one more time. Just erase this curly braces. And okay, so instead of this first, we will write the third number, and instead of this M we will write O. Okay, so already it's done. Okay, I have written this O's, so this was all copied here. Okay, so just pass it. You just have to make sure that you are writing each and every code very properly. After writing this O, what we are going to write, we are just going to just erase this curly braces that has already been drawn, and we are going to write int sum equals to m plus n plus o. Fine. And then semicolon is very necessary in order to write the code. Then system dot out dot println, no space will come, right? No space will come, you have to write straight. Then bracket, then this the sum of the three entered numbers are, and then plus sign plus the value of sum. We'll give a space here, and then bracket close, and then semicolon. Fine. Now what you can do is you can just use a closing curly brace, and after that we will write the cache exception that is there. So exception exception o, and then bracket close. After that we will again open a curly braces, and we will write system dot out dot println bracket. What we have to write, that we have to mention that unexpected is written here, so we will write the same unexpected and double quotes and bracket close, and then after that semicolon. After writing semicolon, we will close the curly braces. 3 curly braces we have to put, so this 1 2 and 3. Okay, now we will try to run this. Before that, I'll just first I want to analyze whether I have written right code or not. So we'll just check it. And because Java is case sensitive, so it can show error when you will not do it properly. Fine. So you just have to make sure that you are doing each and every code very properly. So this space we won't keep it, right, for this parse int and all. And what else? I guess we have done almost. So we'll just try to run it. If there would be any error, then it will show us the error, then we can correct it. So after writing this code, what we were given in the book, fine, we will run this program. After clicking on run, we will enter these 3 numbers in a line. Okay, not in a sequence but in a line. We will write 3 different numbers, and then we will run this program. Let's see what will be the result. See, enter the first number, enter the second number, enter the third number. This you have already entered there when you clicked on run button, right? Now the sum of the 3 entered numbers are 179. This is how you can just create the different codes, and you can just run them, execute them, and get the result out of it. When the input is asked, you just input the data, input the numbers, whatever is asked, and then you can see the output here. Fine. So this is how you can just create your own program, a small program, right? Thank you, students. Take care. Good day.